Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can train your website chatbot with the help of a Google Sheet or any chatbot with the help of a Google Sheet. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, you need to choose a particular bot that you want to train with the help of the Google Sheet. Then click on the second option of bot training and you will find the third option of Google Sheet. If you have not connected your Google Sheet, you will get an option of connecting the Google Sheet. First of all, you need to connect that Google Sheet. Simply click on this. It will ask you to provide the Google Sheet link. So let me copy the link from here and I will add the Google Sheet link here. And you can add the description of your sheet. As you can see here, I have added the Google Sheet link and the description of the sheet. I will click on add sheet and you can see thank you for providing your Google Sheet is now being trained. So within 2 to 3 minutes, this training will be done and this status will be shown as completed. So this is how you will train your chatbot using Google Sheet, and that's it about this video. In case if you have any doubt, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video.